Hi guys, it's 9226 and today we're doing part 2 of our video. So in the first video we did our first battle and second battle, and now we're doing the third battle.
This is an important battle for both trainers. It's time to think about a cautious battle strategy. The battle begins. Pounded by Crackle-Meal. Taken out already. The blue corner has won the first round with a single hit. The second set of Pokemon have appeared. Immolated by Blackbird. Taken out already. The blue corner has 2 wins so far. One more win, and victory will be claimed. The third set of Pokemon have appeared. Earthquake tears open the ground. It's down already. Game, set, and match. It's a total victory for the blue corner. This is an important battle for both trainers. Neither side can afford to give up in this battle. The battle begins. Cooked by overheat. Taken out already. The blue corner has won the first round with a single hit. The second set of Pokemon have appeared. Pounded by Crackle-Meal. It's down already. The blue corner has 2 wins so far. One more win, and victory will be claimed. The third set of Pokemon have appeared. Judgment has been dealt. It's down already. It's a total victory for the blue corner.